High ping can significantly affect your gaming experience in Valorant, leading to lag and delays. Here is a simple guide to help you reduce your ping and improve your gameplay. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible, as it tends to be more reliable and has lower latency. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching Valorant, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This can free up bandwidth and resources, allowing the game to run more smoothly. Step 3. Change server region. In the game settings, check your server region. Selecting a server that is geographically closer to you can help reduce ping. Make sure to choose the one with the lowest latency. Step 4. Optimize network settings. Adjust your network settings to prioritize gaming traffic. Enable quality of service QoS on your router to prioritize Valorant data packets over other types of traffic. Step 5. Contact your internet service provider. If you continue to experience high ping, reach out to your internet service provider. They may be able to help diagnose any issues or suggest upgrades to improve your connection. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your ping while playing Valorant, leading to a better gaming experience.